Today I decided to start the tour from this stunning living space. I am Francesco from Via de Colli, and today we are touring together this beautiful property in the middle of the countryside near Todi in Umbria. We are outside now. This is the entrance of the property, and we can reach the property from the main road after a really short half tarmac, half gravel road. So this property is really well connected to the surrounding cities and villages and main services. As you can see, this is not a traditional house. This is a concrete building, and the advantage of this kind of building is the openings. In fact, basically, you can have a lot of windows, French doors, etc. Because the walls on the side are not bounding walls. So I started from the outside because I want to give you an idea of the surrounding. I always prefer like that, but you had an anticipation of the living space. Actually, is this one. Those two French doors are really well connected to this outside area, and the property has around 1 hectare of land. And maybe the best thing to do to explore this property is just to come in that way into this living room and show you the connection from the outside to the inside. So basically this is the main entrance door, and we are on the front side of the house. You saw that before. And as you step in, you will find this little hallway. And this stunning living space with all that this connection to the outside. With an open space kitchen. And I really like these big open spaces, especially in the living room, that are not so common. Especially in old farmhouses, big space are rare. But of course, this is not an old farmhouse. And look at the view. And this property has no swimming pool for now, but the possibility to make it, and of course to make the garden even more beautiful with some landscaping that you can do here or on that side. There's a lot of potential in the outside areas, and the land is pretty big. As I said, it's nearly 1 hectare, so the border is not there, but is the that tree line over here. That's very hot today, so I will love to sit here for 5 minutes, just enjoy this view under this portico. And another really beautiful area is this one. You had a little preview before. That will be very nice dining here, and that is Ovest. So you will have the this sunset here over these hills. Some lavender roses. Now I'm going inside again, and the good thing here is the connection that you have from the inside to the outside, thanks to all that French doors. And from this hallway, we will reach the bedrooms. So this is the master with a private terrace. And with an ensuite bathroom. Look at this view. Looks like a painting on the countryside. And we are on the other side of the property. So you have this view all around. And the ceiling is pretty high. Cabinet, and then the bathroom. And the bathroom here in this property are all pretty big. And this is not the only floor of the property. We have an attic room that is can be an home study or a reading room, and a taverna downstairs with a really big living room. But of course, I will show you later. This is another bedroom. There are 3 bedrooms and 1 room downstairs, and the 3 bathrooms. So the master has an ensuite bathroom, as you saw before. And this room and the other room that I will show you in a minute are served by another bathroom. This is the other one. and that's the smallest. Okay, down that stairs. And here, first of all, we have these two storage space. So that's the first one. It is really cool down here. That could be your wine cellar. And this one. But of course, this is not the most beautiful thing about this floor, because we have this big living space. You can leave it as it is or build a gym. I probably would build a gym here, but you have a lot of space. Yes, maybe I could have a gym on a corner and a living space, and keep the living space a rustic one. In a minute we will go outside there. That could be a spot for a swimming pool. There's another one that I will show you later. And tell me what you will build here, or if you like it, of course, as it is, as a living for your guests, or having big dinners with friends. Even if the living space on the floor above is really big. That's another room. And then we have a laundry. With another bathroom. Oh, and actually, now that I see that bathroom, I forgot to show you the bathroom, the other bathroom on the ground floor. So I will go in a second. Another angle of the house. This is the terrace of the master bedroom, and this is the window of the bathroom that I just missed. And I will go there now. So let's tour on that side. And of course, as always, you can find the full details of that property if you click the link in the description, and you can even contact us directly. And that's a really beautiful light effect in this bathroom. You will see it from the pictures as well. See, you have this big window, a mirror, and the reflection of the mirror into the glass of the shower. I will give you another look of the living before going into the attic room. And the ceiling here is pretty high as well. And that could be another spot for a swimming pool or on the other side. So it depends if you want the swimming pool really close to the house as someone wants, or maybe a little bit more farther away. So on the top of that little slope, it is pretty flat, and that could be another spot for a swimming pool, and just keep that area as a landscaped garden. Okay, and now let's see the attic room. Okay, and just around the corner I will go into the tower room, if we want to call it that way. And this could be easily be my office, especially for the view, 360 view. And there is a terrace as well. Okay, I am in the living again, and by the way, this is a fireplace, a functional fireplace. And if you want more details, as I said, click the link in the description and you will find the full listing. And probably I will see you into a real tour of the property or into the next video.